Tired of juggling multiple platforms for your social media marketing? Let's streamline your Instagram efforts by connecting it to Xerochat for ultimate efficiency. First, log into your Xerochat account if you don't have one. Sign up Authorize Xerochat. It's a game changer for managing your social media interactions. Navigate to the Social Apps section on the left-hand side of your Xerochat dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Add New App button, and from the options presented, select Instagram. Now, you'll be prompted to log in to your Instagram account. Make sure you're using the account you want to connect to Xerochat. Instagram will ask you to authorize Xerochat, grant all the necessary permissions to allow Xerochat to access and manage your Instagram data securely. Don't worry. Xerochat uses industry standard security protocols. After granting permissions, you'll be redirected back to Xerochat. You should now see your Instagram account listed under the Social Apps section. Congratulations! Your Instagram is now connected. You can now explore the features like automated messaging, content sharing, and data analytics all within Xerochat. Dive in and start customizing your settings to optimize your Instagram marketing strategy using the power of Xerochat. Don't forget to subscribe for more Xerochat tips and tricks.